Welcome everyone to a very special video wherein my 6-year-old daughter will show you how to make a chocolate mug cake in just a couple of minutes. Over to her now.
Hi everyone! For making this amazing chocolate mug cake, we start with 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Then we add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then mix it together. And once it's mixed evenly, add 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Give it a quick mix and add 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, along with 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and lastly add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix everything together thoroughly. Don't forget to scrape the bottom as well. Finish it off with some chocolate chips if you like, and ask your grown-up to put it in the center of the microwave for 1 minute. You have a minute to win it. And here, your amazing chocolate mug cake is ready. Enjoy and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to lots of cooking.